Hi, I'm Laurette from Spotahome.com, and we are on Asano Street in the neighborhood of Elbord. It's a really nice place, it's a loft, and we are on the 5th floor. You have the stairs right here. So here's the entrance. So you have a living room. Then right behind that wall you have the bedroom, on the right the kitchen, and then the bathroom. So as you can see, it's really beautiful. It's really well decorated, really cozy, very stylish. You have a big dining table with 6 chairs. Over here we have a sofa with the TV screen just in front. So as you can see, you have wood on the ceiling, you have parquet on the floor. Over here you have a hammock. Here. Right here we have a window. Looking over the light well, no? The entrance of the flat is right here. And so you have 2 balconies. So you have Cara de Princesa, El Comercio. You have really close to the market of Elbord. Really typical from those neighborhoods in the center of Barcelona. You have the air conditioning right here that does also heating. So here we have the kitchen. So here we have a window to the same light wave. You have a small fridge, the washing machine, you have an oven right here, all the dishes will be here. You have the stove, the toaster, single sink, and over here everything that you will need to cook. And the vacuum cleaner that is right here. Okay, then we arrive in the part of the bedroom. So it's really well decorated, really clean. You have a very nice double bed with 2 night tables, 2 lamps. Over here we have a window to the balcony, and you have a rack to dry your clothes. So you have a chest of drawers right here, and a big wardrobe over here. Really old, very nice. So here is the bathroom. So as you can see, you have no doors, but you can put here. So you have a sink. Over here you have some space to put your cosmetics. Right here you have a big shower. It's really nice. And right here you have the toilet with the door, no? Toilet and a bidet. Here. And I think that's it. I said everything. So as you can see, it's really great place, and it's a really nice neighborhood. You have a lot of bars and restaurants really close to here. They are really nice. Well, I hope you liked it, and see you soon on Spotahome.com. Ciao!